Assalamu alaikum dear student, hope you all are fine. Dear student, welcome in your English class. As you know, we have read the poem Clouds. Our reading is completed. Today we will do fair work. So for fair work, you have to take your fair copy. Don't use any other copy. You have to take your fair copy only. And then you have to take two color, red and blue. And then dear student, you have to take your pencil and write neat and clean writing. So let's start. Dear student, open your copy and then first you have to write here poem with blue color, poem, and it's a number, page number 033, and topic name is clouds, and mention here today's date 16/12/2020. Write words meaning synonym with blue color, this blue color, okay? And then dear student, you have to write number 1, our first word white meaning safed, synonym colorless. Number 2, sheep, bear, woolly. 3, still, abbi, unmoving. Now turn your copy page. Dear student, you have to mention here margin line with red color and make 2 lines with also red color. Dear student, you have to make margin line and write here number will be 4, and then you have to write question number 1, what stands still? Its answer you have to write question with blue color. Dear student, आपने blue color से क्वेश्चन लिखना है एंड लास्ट में क्वेश्चन मार्क पुट करनी है. आंसर आपने पेंसिल से लिखना है. द शीप स्टैंड स्टिल व्हेन द विंड स्टॉप. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, व्हाट डू white sheep do when the winds blow. You have to write this question with blue color and you have to put here question mark. Write its answer with pencil. The sheep walk away when the wind blows, and you have to put here dot. At the end of answer you have to put dots. As you can see here is also dot. आपने ये अच्छे तरीके से फेयर करना है. यहाँ पर स्पेस भी देना है और अच्छी राइटिंग में लिखकर फेयर कर सेंड करना है. So dear student, your today's homework is that you have to write word meaning synonym and then you have to write these 2 question answer. Hope you understand. Allah Hafiz.